Hey, what's up, y'all? This Mighty Mechanics again. Wise M here. We're doing the oil change on this 200cc class model moped. Let me show y'all how it's looking. Okay, here you go. The drain plug. It's a 17mm head on the left side. I already drained the oil though. Take the drain plug out. Just to demonstrate. A little more draining out. And the other drain plug is on the right side. It's the one with the filter. And it's a filter and a spring in it. It's kind of dark. I don't know if y'all can see my finger pointing at it. But it's right here. I gotta take that off next. Okay, so now I got my light so we can see it clearer. See, it's a 17mm. Both of them on both sides are 17mm drain plug for the oil. So I already loosened it up with the ratchet. Now I can kind of loosen it with my finger. And it's kind of spring loaded. The remainder of the oil dripping out. See, it got that little screen-like filter in it. I'm gonna do some cleaning on it with some brake parts cleaner. Then we're gonna go back, screw it back in. Okay, so now we got the right side drain plug back in tight, and the left side in tight. Those for oil drain plugs. And the filter, cleaned the filter out with brake part cleaner. I just sprayed a little bit on it and cleaned it and dried it. The brake part cleaner right here. So this the oil that came out, the old oil. We're looking at 800 milliliters approximately. So I'm gonna refill it with it's 10W30 4-stroke motorcycle oil. Here you go, the filler neck, the dipstick, oil dipstick. And take that out. Put the funnel in. We're gonna add a new oil, 800 milliliters worth. Okay, so I'm gonna pour 800 milliliters worth. There's 1040 new oil in the measuring cup just to make sure. Don't want to put too much or too little. Okay, so we're looking at 800. Put on the level surface so we get the accurate reading. It's 800 milliliters. So now we just pour it in with the funnel. So now after pouring the fresh oil in, you want to take the funnel out, put the dipstick in, and check the level of the oil on the dipstick. You can see it's right at the level mark. So it's the right amount in there. There you go, your fresh oil change on your Class 200cc moped. Mighty Mechanics.